Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to find out how regular people are making a living completely from Instagram, be sure to watch until the end of this video because I'm going to show you how to monetize your Instagram account. If you want more tips on growing your online influence and building your online empire as a business owner, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video every Friday. Have you ever seen an account on Instagram with less than 10k followers making money on Instagram? If you have seen some people doing ads for companies and recommending products on their feed while tagging the company involved, then you are right to assume that it is a sponsored post and they are probably being paid to do so. The question is, how do you even get companies to sponsor you anyway? Must you be someone famous in real life so that companies start approaching you magically without having to do anything? Well, the first step that you need to take is to create engaging content. How I started out was I first focused on growing my influence by producing quality content so that I could attract my target audience and create lots of engagement on my page. Having large amount of followers and a low level of engagement doesn't mean anything, and brands won't want to work with you if you have very little likes and comments on your posts. Next, give users a reason to follow you. Focus on creating content which informs, inspires, and entertains, so that your followers actually look forward to seeing the content from you. In the past, I used to post guitar covers which entertains and inspires my followers, and that was how I increased my engagement and my following in a very short amount of time. Ever since I've switched my niche to digital marketing and online business, I've continued to post inspirational content to help others be motivated and achieve their goals. Next, take your Instagram account seriously. If you don't take yourself seriously, no one else will. When you treat your Instagram account seriously like a business, you'll be willing to put in the effort to create quality content on a consistent basis. In fact, if you are planning to monetize your Instagram account, it is a business in itself because you are going to make profits from it. Next, take action and put yourself out there. The reason why influencers or businesses on Instagram are gaining popularity and making big money from what they do is because they are willing to put themselves out there by taking the first step. If they had compared where they used to be to where other successful people presently are, then they probably would not see success if they didn't take the first step to put themselves out there. Nobody started an Instagram account with 10,000 followers, but everyone who is successful worked their way up. Most of the time, the reason why people don't get started is because they don't believe that they are capable of achieving what they actually can. Which leads to the next step, which is to network with influential figures. Yes, you can network with influential figures even if you have less than 10,000 followers. If you thought that no one would want to respond to you because you have less than 10,000 followers, then that might have stopped you from reaching out to them. Building strong connections with influential figures is a good way to start putting yourself out there, and that was also how I started. Don't be afraid to make the first move. I was first afraid that no one would reply me, but I did it anyway because it doesn't matter whether a few people ignore you. That should not prevent you from trying because eventually you will find those who value the relationship from networking, which can be mutually beneficial. Now we have come to the part where you will learn various ways on how to monetize your Instagram account with little to no money involved. First of all, you can sell sponsored posts. Selling sponsored posts is a business in itself if you are able to build your reputation as an influential figure in a particular niche. After I gained my first 30,000 followers, I was wondering why no brands were approaching me yet. That was when I realized it was because they were not aware of my online presence and they basically didn't know that I exist. So that was when I started to network and reach out to brands whom I wanted to work with by sending them direct messages. That was how I got the ball rolling and started making a few hundreds of dollars per sponsored post. I've seen other users monetize their account even with 1,000 followers, so it's not true that you need an extremely large following. Networking with relevant brands is a way to help create awareness for your online presence so that people know what you are doing. You can start with doing sponsored posts and get items in exchange for free, as some brands implement this as part of their marketing strategy. From there, brands will usually repost your sponsored posts, which brings further awareness to other companies that you are someone who is providing sponsored posts. You can start to charge for it once you have slowly built your reputation and once you are known for being an influencer in that particular niche. You can even create a niche account and sell ad space on your Instagram profile. For example, if you love traveling, you can create a travel page and share travel related images. You can offer to sell ad space to travel companies and users want to grow their page by offering paid shoutouts by sharing their posts and getting paid to mention them. Next, you can do affiliate marketing. This means that you are selling and promoting products that you don't actually own. You basically refer people and get a commission from the seller whenever someone buys the product from you. There are many online affiliate marketing platforms such as ClickBank and Commission Junction, and you can earn up to few hundreds to few thousands per day depending on the products that you sell and depending on how many people make the purchase. It's a great way to start earning money without being an influencer and without having any business or money to begin with. You can place your affiliate link in your profile bio and market it through your Instagram posts, stories, and direct messages. Another way you can make a living from Instagram is to start a business and direct visitors to your website. I started making a decent salary when I started an e-commerce store on Shopify selling guitar accessories, and by creating a niche related page whereby I share guitar covers from guitar players all over the world. I used my Instagram account, The Guitar Yard, to provide entertainment value by reposting content submitted by guitar players, while having my store linked to my profile bio. Instagram has helped me to spread brand awareness successfully through this method. If you want to learn how to make money on Instagram, do download my free guide, How to Profit from Instagram. The link is in the description below. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, let me know by liking it, subscribe if you have not done so, and leave a comment if you found this helpful. Do share this video with anyone who will find this useful too.